Hello students, how are you? Today we will start plastics, and before that there are two terms, that is the one is polymer. What are polymers? Poly means many and mass means unit. That means poly unit. Examples are like starch. Starch is a polymer of glucose. Many glucose units combine together and form starch. So glucose is monomer. Monomer. Mono means single and mer means unit. I hope it is clear. The polymer made by the monomer, and monomer means single unit. Is that clear? Now moving ahead, the thing is biodegradable. Biodegradable substance. What are biodegradable substances? Substances which can be decomposed by natural process. Substance which can be decomposed by natural process. For example, you see the vegetable. If you eat the banana and throw the banana peel, after 2 or 3 days it will disappear. That means it is decomposing by the natural process. Next thing is non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable substances. What they are? They do not decompose by natural process. For example, plastic. See, one plastic can take 500 years to decompose. Right? Now moving ahead to the major topic, that is plastic. Now what are plastics? Plastics are also polymer. They are also polymer, like earlier we have seen the synthetic fiber. Like synthetic fiber, they are also polymer. Okay, they have two type of structure. The one is linear structure, another is cross-linked structure. Cross-linked structure. Linear structure, what will happen? They are the monomer unit. They will be combined in a single line. But in the cross-linked structure, what will happen? The lines have been linked crossly through other linear link. They will be joining like this, and they form this cross-link structures. Right? Plastics are two types. There are two types of plastics. The first one is thermoplastic. The first one is thermoplastic. What are the characteristics? The first characteristic is they can be bent. They can be bent easily. They can be molded. Molded means deform. फिर से इनको दूसरा शेप दे सकते हैं on heating. Clear? They are used to make what kind of things? Like toys, comb, containers. Also they are used. Example, if you wish to write the examples, you can write example like PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride, and polythene. and polythene. There are two examples. Similarly, if we look into thermosetting plastic, there is another type of plastic, that is thermosetting plastics. Just opposite of them, the first one, they cannot be made, cannot be bent, cannot be softened, cannot be softened. वंस मोल्डेड, एक बार जो शेप दे दिया फिर उसको हम वापस सॉफ्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स यू कैन सी द bakelite, right, melamine. They are examples. They use in the bakelite used in the electrical switches is made by the bakelite. Okay, handles of cookwares is also made by thermosetting plastics. Is it clear? Now, what are the properties of plastic? Properties of plastics. The first property is it is non-reactive. It is non-reactive. That means if the plastic container is exposed into air or moisture, they do not react with them, do not react with the air and moisture, and so therefore they are not corroded. फिर इनमें क्या होता, जंग नहीं लगती. They are not corroded. That is why they are used to store materials, right, including chemicals. Chemicals are very reactive ones, including chemicals. Clear? Chemicals are very reactive. If you store in the metal container, they react with the metal, but the plastic is non-reactive. That is why the chemicals also kept in the plastic containers. The next property is, you can see they are light in weight. They are lightweight. Strong also. They are strong and durable. They run for a long time. That is why they are used to make buckets, mug, or the item which we use in the daily life. The third main important property is they are poor conductor. They are poor conductor of electricity. They are poor conductor of electricity. That is why they are used to cover the wires, covering of the wires, right? Handle of electrical equipment. इलेक्ट्रिकल इक्विपमेंट के हैंडल जो है वो किससे बनते हैं, प्लास्टिक से. क्लियर? Other than this, we will go into the next topic, that is characteristics. What are characteristics of plastics? Plastics के क्या characteristics होते हैं? The first one is they are cheaper, they have good strength, and they are durable also. Durable. Good strength here means sometimes it is like glass. If you are using glass container, glass can be broken down, but plastic cannot be broken down easily when you dropped by mistake. They are used in packaging of medicine. Used in packaging of medicine. Stitches And also the doctor's gloves is made by the plastics only. You have heard Teflon. Teflon is also known as non-stick plastic. It is used in the non-stick cookwares. Non-stick cookwares. Similarly, one more thing is there, melamine. You might have heard about melamine. The melamine have the fire resistance capacity. Fire resistance. It is fire resistance. Therefore, it is used in the fireman's uniform. Fireman's uniform is coated by the melamine plastic. One question is comes, why it is avoided to wear clothes made by synthetic fiber when working in the किचन. किचन में काम करते समय ये अवॉइड किया जाता है कि आपके कपड़े जो हैं वो सिंथेटिक फाइबर के नहीं बने होना चाहिए. व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न? बिकॉज व्हेन synthetic fiber burn, before it burn, it melt, and when it melt, it stick with the skin, with the skin, and skin will be completely burned. That is why it is avoided. Now the next major topic is plastics versus environment. Though we have seen the plastic having many advantages, along with one disadvantage, that is, since it is a non-biodegradable substance, so there is a problem with the disposal of the plastic. How to dispose? Clear? Therefore, it is a big issue, though it has a wide variety of use. For example, if we burn the plastic, what will happen? It produces harmful gases. Harmful gases will create air pollution. When air pollution will be there, then we will face the problem with the respiratory organs, or respiratory disease will be caused by the pollution, air pollution. Clear? Now, next is, if we throw in the water, then what will happen? It may cause the water pollution. Then aquatic life will die. Aquatic animal will die. Next is, if we throw on the roadside, so what will happen? There are many animals like cows, buffaloes, right? They eat, and what will happen? They will get die. Why? Because it will choke their respiratory tract, either respiratory tract or alimentary canal. So we cannot throw on the road, we cannot burn, we cannot throw in the water. One more thing, if we dump the plastic, what will happen? It will affect the soil fertility of the area. Soil fertility means fertility. Fertility means production capacity of soil. Production capacity. So, therefore, as a responsible citizen, sometimes this questions comes. This is important. As a responsible citizen, what we can do to minimize citizen? How we can minimize the harmful effect of plastic? So we can use, in the answer you can write, as a responsible citizens we can minimize the harmful effect of plastic by 4R principle. What is 4R principle? The one is reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. So that's it for today. If you have even any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you.